Hey, hi there. Okay, it's
Cheers.
Friday. Cheers. I'm Dana,
I'm Lori.
and we've just done a little test for the custom jewelry collective, similar to this. So I'm testing out to see if I can figure this out and it works. Basically, what I'm trying to do is create more opportunities for us to get together, answer your questions immediately, and perhaps share ideas, techniques. If there are in the future, if you're all interested, we can actually do projects and have different cameras of showing different techniques that I've learned. Maybe we can even schedule some time where we have the same components that are easily accessible that you already have, and we can figure out doing a project or something that you've had trouble figuring out, and we can all do it. Maybe we can share tips together. So that is the reason why we're all testing this out. Meanwhile, we're here in Toronto, downtown. This is our backyard,
Mhm.
and the weather has not been the greatest this spring. This is perhaps one of the first few days where we can sit back in the sun and enjoy our Friday afternoon at the office. So, by the way, it's a lot quieter now. About 10 minutes ago, the Pedal Pub, is it called?
Yeah.
The Pedal Pub, which goes around these blocks, um, was full of very happy people
Having a few drinks,
having a few drinks.
listening to some music.
Mhm. I don't know if you have that where you live, but downtown Toronto, especially in this area where um, that way there is a hopping club right behind these stone walls, um, is another restaurant. And through here, beyond this laneway, are a number of really nice restaurants that go into the night. So in around here, the Pedal Pub goes around and around, and maybe one of these days we will do a Saturday night live session and where we can
From the pedal pub.
and we can hear hopping music. But meanwhile, this is
I think we should do it right from the pedal pub.
oh yeah,
Yeah.
actually, yeah,
Right on the car.
we should do that. So yes, actually, yeah, just this is under our maple tree, so it's raining maple keys, and feel free to comment. And I can't figure out how this all works, but I'm going to try commenting,
I am too. I'm going to comment to myself. Oh.
and I'm going to see if this works. I can see myself. I haven't been able to see some of the other comments, but same thing with the collective
Ah,
post. Oh,
so
it
that
just
worked.
popped up.
Yeah.
Okay, so that's great. And actually, what we would like is if you have any sort of questions, topics that you would like us to discuss or me to discuss, reply either for the next live session or in a YouTube video or whatnot, comment here. I'm going to check it out a little later to see if there is something that I could either film or talk about, give you an answer. Okay. And yes, Custom Jewelry Collective, just to let you know, it is a group that is private. That way we can be open and honest and talking about everything to do with jewelry business, especially custom jewelry making, because I think that is the way of the future where everyone will want super customization from the length of the jewelry they wear to um, messages, charms, etc. And that is also the way that I think our customers, brick and mortar boutiques, will be able to offer servicing um, a level of service that cannot be matched by the big box stores that are online um, that don't provide that. And so I think that is the key for the future. And that is why I want to uh, provide the tips, resources, we can share in our knowledge, and together as a group, be able to fend off the big box competitors, the faceless behemoths, because I think we need to bring back, I guess, the power, uh, leveling up the kind of service brick and mortar artisans are able to provide. So, excellent. Uh, I'm going to try to reply. How do I?
Hmm.
Oh, it's that reply. I can see. How do I do this?
Write a message.
Write a what? It's a comment though.
I don't know.
Okay.
We're very high tech over here.
Let me see. Oh,
Yeah.
okay. Okay. So now I know how to at least write a reply to Catalina. Awesome. Okay. Um, I think that's about it. Okay, just yeah.
And if you have any good ideas that you want us to do lives on, you want to have a conversation about anything in particular, leave a comment. Even when this isn't live, we want to see those. And if you have any ideas on what videos you want us to make, send us the ideas, because the more ideas have, Dana can make hundreds of videos, as you saw. As
As
hopefully as you saw, because we have a YouTube channel, just in case you don't know. Okay.
mhm. Yes. The thing is, quite often, um, we might want to start off talking about a specific topic, and then someone else has a question, and then as a group, as I've seen at PJX, we end up talking about that, and it just I love how it goes from someone having an answer to a specific question and adding their own experience, and someone else has a follow up question and some other ideas, and it's organic. And the conversation is fantastic. Everyone ends up learning a lot from that, from everyone else. And I think that is really how as a community, we all grow, sharing knowledge and not having to reinvent the wheel. Um, and through other people's experiences, we learn to avoid mistakes and just be better prepared. So I love doing this. So let us try to do that very soon. For now,
Okay.
we're going to go back to enjoying our drinks in the
Cheers.
backyard. There's the robins. Bye.